Welcome back to Oliver's Garage. So today's project is hopefully install the engine. So we got Andy back to work and new guest for today, Luis.
Hey.
So we can tie up the engine bay a little bit and hopefully in the next few minutes start getting the engine dropped in.
There you go.
Alright, it's going to be our first time cranking it up. Just build some oil pressure and hopefully if the timing is set somewhat straight, I'm hoping it turns on. That's awesome.
Almost.
So it turns out the intake elbow popped off the turbo, so that was the result of it while it was firing up and then turning off. There was no airflow meter measurement.
Right. Everything good?
Round one for the second time.
Round one.
Fight!
Round one for the second time. Found the intake had popped off the turbo.
It's okay.
Jeez. Okay.
And this time I forgot to plug in the airflow meter.
Something's not right.
Alright. Part three.
Let's try it now, dude.
Yeah, we're a little hungry. It's okay.
There it is. Let's hold it. Good job, boys.
Gotta go for our first maiden drive. Alright, about 5 miles on the engine, and let's see how she fires up. No throttle application, nothing. Alright, finished our maiden drive, and so far so good. Thanks for watching.